Okay, guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from anywhere you might be joining us from. You're welcome to today's class. Today is the day 15 of our Excel work hour. This is a 50 days challenge. We've been back together. We've said we are going to be learning new thing about Microsoft Excel per day, either a function or a formula or any of the things we have in this ribbon that are useful in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so today we are going to be learning how to use average. Before we go there, in case you are just joining us, today is the day 15 of our exam work hour. We've had 14 days back and then we have a lot of what videos on them also. So you can check our YouTube channel, Learn with Kowi, Learn with Kowi, or you click on the link on this post. Okay, once again, my name is Kowi ACG. I'm a data analyst and I'm also a data analysis instructor. So without wasting much of our time, I want to check the average expenses spent in the last quarter. So this is the first quarter of 2023. So we want to check our expenses for that particular quarter. So how do you go about it? So we want to check the average expenses. Sorry, the average expenses. So how do you go about it? Just say equals to average. Yes. Then what? So it's expecting you to be clicking ones like this, like this. So instead of that, just do it like this. You can just highlight everything like this. Okay. So you've learned something new. You've learned something initially. Click on the first one, Control Shift down, close the brackets, and enter. What do you have? So this is average expenses. We spent what in the last quarter? We spent what about 1,831 naira. Let us use naira. So this is how to also change your symbol. So listen. Okay, we are trying to change a value to naira. This is okay. So this is we have 1,331 naira 80 kobo. So this is average amount we spent what in the first quarter of 2023. So I hope you've learned something new today. Thanks for watching. Meet our class tomorrow. Before we go, I said we are going to start having an assignment. So the first assignment we are going to be having for this is that click on this YouTube channel. So in case you are watching this video from the link from LinkedIn, just click on the YouTube channel. So there is a file that is attached. There is going to be a Google Drive link that's going to be attached to this video on the YouTube channel. Click on it. You are going to find a particular data set there. Now, what you are expected to do is this. So it's based on what you've done now from our previous classes. So we have some data sets on a particular column, and each of them are supposed to be under what their respective column, but everything was under the first. Okay, everything was inside this a, yes, in this what a column. So what I want you to do is what you should split everything for me so that the name will be on this column A, the other one will be on column B, then like that, like that, like that for all the whole data set, then for what for the whole also. Exactly. So this is part of what we've done from our previous class. So I'm not going to give you the exact day, but go and start watching from let me say from day 8 downward. Yes, the video to solve that particular problem is in either of those particular parts. So please make sure you do this. And my WhatsApp number is also under what if you check what our under the YouTube channel. So under the description, you're going to find my WhatsApp number there. So you can send to me on WhatsApp, just send a screenshot so I'll be able to know if actually practiced and if learned something new. Exactly. So thanks for watching. We meet in our class tomorrow. And please make sure you do your assignment and send it to me on WhatsApp. Bye. Do have a nice day.